Hello, Chef here. So today I'm making chicken stock. This is a small quantity. We keep the chicken bones in the freezer. Got all the good stuff in there, the innards, the backbone, little skin, no problem. Goes in a large stock pot, and you add just enough cold water to cover the bones. Other ingredients that are used in chicken stock obviously are onion peels, carrot peels, some garlic or garlic peels, a few peppercorns, and a bay leaf, and that's it. Bring the stock to a boil, reduce heat, let simmer for 1 hour. A good chicken stock is clear, the slight yellowish tint, just like this one. Yeah. Now you simply let it cool, strain it off, put it in small containers and reserve until further use. Please like, share, subscribe. Chef here, once again with some more life tips for you. Making your own soup and your own stock will help increase your immune system and thereby improve your health. Check out the channel. Lots of these recipes are on the channel. Get cooking today. I've got a brie cheese crouton, and that's my broccoli soup. Your soup? Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Share the video. And how to cook a perfect turkey? Right there. Check out the sponsor's website. It's step by step. It's simple. Learn from the chefs. Wow. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. On a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety. So I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. Ready to apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.